Are you thinking about shopping at Overstock.com for discounted furniture, home decor, or jewelry, but wondering if it's truly a safe store or just another online trap? Let's find out the truth behind this long-running retail giant that's been around since 1999. Overstock.com has built a strong online presence, offering thousands of home goods, bedding, and decor items at what seem like unbeatable prices. It's not some new pop-up site either. The company has official apps on both the Play Store and App Store, active social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and X, and even lists transparent leadership details on its website. So, on paper, everything looks professional and trustworthy. However, the story doesn't end there. When we dig deeper into customer experiences, a mixed picture emerges. On Trustpilot, Overstock has an alarmingly low rating of just 1.2 out of 5, which raises serious concerns about their after-sales service and product reliability. Many buyers have complained about misleading product descriptions, items that don't match photos, and faulty products that were difficult or impossible to return. Some even reported unresolved disputes, despite repeated attempts to contact customer support. On the flip side, other shoppers say they received good deals and quick shipping, proving that experiences vary widely depending on the product and seller. Overall, Overstock.com appears to be a legitimate platform with real operations, but the inconsistency in product quality and customer support means you should tread carefully. Always read reviews for individual sellers, verify listings, and avoid impulse purchases based on discounts alone. In short, Overstock isn't a scam, but it's far from perfect. A real online marketplace where caution and research are your best tools before clicking buy.